Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. And we are in Serenity BDD with JBehave series. In previous video, we have gone through how to create a step def for the JBehave Jenkins. In this video, we're gonna see how to create the page object class and how to create the page elements for the web page. So let's get started. So I'm going to create a class under pages package so that all the pages will be under this package. So my page class will be GitHub page. So I have created the class. Whenever you are working with Selenium, to start with the WebDriver, you need to create an instance of Chrome driver or the Gecko driver based on the browser which you are working, so that you will get the reference object and you can pull all the methods of Selenium WebDriver. But in Serenity BDD, it is by default creating the WebDriver object for you. No need to create the WebDriver instance. Okay, and also it is removing most of the boilerplate code from Selenium. It is using most of the methods using page object class. I will show you. So what exactly is page object class in Serenity BDD? How it is producing you all the methods and whatever the things which you need for your page elements creation. Okay, let's get started. And in order to interact with the Serenity BDD with the page elements, you need to extend one class, that is page object class. Okay, so let me extend the class. So this is the page object class. It comes from serenity.core.objects. You need to select this. So once you have extended this class, all the properties which are there in page object, you can use them in the child class. So these are the we have different methods which already Serenity BDD creators have created it. So just we need to reuse them. So in order to reuse them, once you need to go through all the things. So whatever the synchronization methods we have, you can also create the implicit and explicit methods, and also you can upload the files. You can also traverse from one method to other method, and you can create the web elements with different tags. So I will show you how to create the web elements in different ways. So let me go to the main page. So once you have extended the page object class, so we need to define the URL which you are working. So basically in Selenium, when you are defining a WebDriver, you need to use get method. Here we don't need to use the get method. Directly we can add it in the class level. So we have a annotation called default URL. So this is the URL. This comes from Serenity BDD. So in the default URL, you need to add the URL which you need to work. So let me copy the URL and paste it. Okay, so this will automatically pick when you are working with the Serenity BDD. Okay, this default URL tag will pick the URL from here. Okay, once you have created this, the next thing you need to do is open the browser. So in order to open the browser, you need to set up the Chrome driver executable file. So where Serenity will understand, okay, here is the executable file for the particular browser. I need to pick there and open the browser. Already in the serenity.config file, we have mentioned uh, the path for the executable files, and also we mentioned which type of your OS we are working on. Serenity by default understands this is Windows OS, and also understands based on our command where we need to run our automation script. If you mention the tag as Chrome, by default it will take the Chrome driver executable file and launch the browser. Okay, let's see how it is going to do it. And for starting the application, let me create a method. So I am creating a method called launch or open application, open app. This is the method I have created. Okay, and in order to open the browser, just you need to give a command called open. That's it. So this open method comes from page object. So this will open the particular URL which you have mentioned in the default URL. Okay, this is how it will launch the browser. That's all for this video. In the next video, I'm gonna show you how to retrieve the XPath in different ways using Serenity BDD. So we will meet in the next video. Thank you.